Hello everyone and welcome to elearnmarkets.com. Today I'll explain you the concept behind elearnmarkets.com. We, a group of IIM alumni from IIM, two of us are from IIM Indore, one is from IIM Lucknow. We have started this portal called elearnmarkets.com, which is to cater to the learning needs of students, of market participants in financial markets. So this is targeting towards a very specific niche for financial market, and this will basically be a marketplace for all subject matter experts. Basically, subject matter experts are those people who are into the markets. They are either investors or traders or research analysts or somehow involved in different aspects of financial markets like equity, commodity, currency, or maybe mutual fund, insurance or banking. So various parts of financial markets they are involved, and they now want to impart their learning or spread their learning to a larger audience. So they will come forward, create a course, upload it here for free, and it will be shared with a larger audience. So it's a marketplace where various courses are put together, but all related to financial markets. There are no general courses. This will be topped by a strong real market data analytics, because learning in financial markets is incomplete until you do it practically and with real market data. So when we are talking about, let's say, Nifty or Sensex, we are talking about real Nifty levels as of today, as of now. So you learn how to trade in options or futures based on real market data analytics. At the same time, we will have a lot of interactive training tools. Before actually telling you to jump into the swimming pool, we create a simulated environment where your mind get used to those things. So a lot of interactive training tools are available on our platform, which can be plugged and played into various courses. So the courses are primarily recorded videos with supported files like Excel, PDF, etc., whatever is required. And then there are evaluations, and then there are a lot of interactive training tools. So videos, we believe, is a one-way communication, whereas interactive training tool with the help of automated interaction can take the learning to the next step. So all of this will become part of Elearn Markets, and over and above all of this, there will be a community. That means user learn from the user, the peer learning part, and there will be a lot of games and simulated portfolio management, etc. So if you want to describe the whole concept in one word, it is basically financial market knowledge bank. I invite you all to come and register yourself. There is plethora of items which are freely available there. Make use of it. Take your learning of financial market to next level and earn while you learn from that. Thank you.